G'day guys, Sam here from Trade to Prosper, giving you another video or crypto update. S.SAri, someone made a request, so let's have a look at it. It's a hard one, and if we use the alley wave count on this, you can see what it's doing. This is just automatic, and you know what? It's not bad. We can see that this is a W formation, so it has a lot of potential to be a reversal. However, not everything works out that way. But if you're on the bullish perspective, it does look like an Adam and Eve formation. So what's an Adam and Eve formation? I'll show you. Adam and Eve, and then a cut. So there's a level. So what's that level for CRV for this to be bullish? We need to break this level here. Okay. When we look at this, it is a wave 5 count. However, on the macro, it could be a wave 3 to 4 if I'm bearish, and 5 is further down. However, if we were to break this above this level, we still got this channel on the top of this channel as well. So can the stock market be bullish coming next year? I'm going to find that hard to believe for a number of reasons, but the only way that's going to happen is if there's quantitative easing, which is money printing. And would the Fed do that? Don't know. Possible, but who knows? But November, December, I do see this being bullish, so we can see this potentially going up much more. So if we were to do this to there, I would say the 618 could be the resistance right up here. So if we were to make that assumption that this level here is a major resistance there, right there. I think that's valid. So if we get this double formation, if I can get my pen, this move could go really strong, probably up to the 6.68, which is also there as well. If this was to move up to there, we can then look at it as a inverted bar trade, and we can also do that, align that. I wonder if that, where does this go? Let's see. Oh, geez, far out. It's actually working. So there you go. I didn't realize that is perfect. So that could be an inverted bar. So what we can expect is a rejection around here if this was to break this level. For now, it is bullish. There is this A, B, and then C should go above, and C should be around somewhere around here, right? And then I think it will come back down, and then we get that next level. It might not even come that low, and then we get a breakout. However, this could easily come back down, and if it's a real bear market, we can come down here to these numbers. So it's not going to be easy to tell. It really depends how high this could go in November, December. If this goes really bullish, then we have a chance. But if this Bitcoin is a fake out, so if we look at Bitcoin for the time being, okay, let's do this. So Bitcoin has to really go to validate all the others. So we're seeing this move. Yeah, that trend line doesn't mean shit at the end of the day. People keep doing that. It's really not that strong of a trend line because it's just got 1, 2, 3 touches. And I don't usually count the beginning. It's got to have more touches, and it hasn't. If we look from another perspective, even that doesn't have it. Really, maybe that it doesn't really work. So people keep drawing, and especially when they draw this line, this is a laugh. When they do a line like that, that's just a joke, because a trend line could be a channel. So that could be just a channel. There could be an external channel So at the moment, I am bullish, but I am not that bullish. Like I don't think it will get that far because this is selling climax, and that was momentum to the upside, and it really struggled. This is accumulation. We might still go. We might still be in a range for some time, and a lot of on the charts, um, on chain data is showing that this could be a reversal. However, it could do this, in my opinion. It could still go up to there, come back down, and then move. Yeah, we've had that somewhere. It's not on this chart, but you can see how it's gone up, comes down, gone up, and then come down. So we could still do that. And so we might get a bit of a bullish move, but I think we're still going to go sideways. If if we come back down again, this is going to be weak. And also, I'm still bearish. I did this. I'm still thinking this is the case. This is our A, B, C, and then move up. All right. So I don't know how high this. So that could be our move, and we can still come down a fair bit. If this is wave 3 to 4, wave 5 could be further down. Um, I had one like that. That's a bullish. So this could be bullish and go all the way up to there, to the 28K. But I don't think that's the case. But that there is that possibility, and the market just does that. So with that mindset, we could have a bit of a bullish move with these. So we just need to track it. The bullish move is that. And now let's have a quicker look. Let's see what we see here. If there's any trend line that's worth looking at. Okay, let's just see if that fits the criteria. This is a better one. Actually, not a bad trend line. So, okay. So my neckline's there. I had this in the past, so here we go. This channel could be, so this could be up now. So I think it might, yeah. So this could be an upward channel, and you can see where C's going. Geez, so it's on a swing low, swing high, and the 1.618's up there. So I believe it's done this. Let's do this. Okay, it does that. So it's there. Yep. So if this is the channel, it's very likely that these are the targets. And if it's a bullish move, and yep, it sort of fits into that model like we said. And we're going to have that. What did we do there? Where is it gone? Okay. We said this type of scenario. Let's just cut the top. Yep. If we include the top, again, we see that there could go higher. And this is just a measure. We can also go for that top there, and that sort of fits in as well. But yeah, this looks like a reversal structure in the making. And for now, if you if you're going to trade this, enter with this breakout, because it seems like everything's lining up. Let me have a better look at this. I'm going to just split this screen. I'm just going to have a clean screen, and take it from there. All right, here we go. Let's just reverse this. So we come to this one, a bit of a clean chart, and short term, we can see a few things here. Definitely strong resistance there, right? Definitely strong support here, and therefore a bit of resistance. So we can extend that band, and you can see it's between this 6.618 to the 0.5 Fibonacci. Now, on the short term, if you want to trade this, We do have a bit of, so this is the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. So that looks like a bit of a bullish move, but we can see the clear resistance is there. Actually, it's just broken above, hasn't it? So the next resistance is there. So I think it will continue on to the close to not a dollar really. So let's just make that a dollar. Where's a dollar? There. No, it doesn't make it. Okay. So that's what we have. I'll just go get rid of this for a sec. This looks like inverted head and shoulders in a way, from this perspective. Give or take a bit. Maybe that. So the measured move for this, okay. So I do think this is very possible. This does look like a reversal. Um, even if this was, yeah. So what we have here, very strong support. This was a lot of support and then dropped. Okay, so this is very strong resistance here as well. $1.08. There are layers here, and even this move here looks like a strong move actually. This is, I would have thought this would go a bit stronger than what I was saying, but the measured move for this little bugger is to this level here. Again, there's a lot of confluence. So I think this, look for that breakout. This flat level is not the best. We don't have, it's not as clean as I would want to on the 4 hour. Let me add the moving averages. So ideally, this is that was a flat level there. Okay. That was a flat level, not the best. And yeah, it is a bit ugly, isn't it? So that is moving upwards. There's a bit of momentum. You can see how long this took sideways, and it's a bit choppy, volatile. It's not the best chart, but this is definitely accumulation and then a breakout. So this is going to go up more. I think so. The minimum it'll go up is that. So yeah, so it sort of matches that resistance. I think this will go up. And what I'm seeing here in the smaller pocket is a triangle. So if this comes back down to this 10 and 20 moving ribbon, I think that will be it. So a few touches, more touches to the top than the bottom. And so if this does pull back, that's worth doing a buy because it's around this level. So that could be even a little wick there, and then up. So if this was to pull back, it's likely to go up, and that will be our next. And that's where we find a bit of resistance. So this level is going to be resistance, and then it's likely to continue up, in my opinion. Once it gets above this level, once it hits that resistance, I think it's likely to keep continue. But you can see here, there's a lot of resistance. This is very choppy, so this has to be a strong move. Yeah, so it's not the best chart. That's all I can say. I'm going to stay away from it. Just trying to answer some questions. In the big picture, Bitcoin's got to do a lot for this to go up. For now, that looks like a resistance. A bit of a channel, isn't it? Looks like a channel. And if I was to delete all these, that is going to be a strong resistance there based on that trend line. So that's all I got, guys. Hopefully that can help. It's a bit all over the place, but in the big picture of things, It does look like a accumulation, bit of a bit of a Adams and Eve. But for this to be, this is a good area of entry for accumulation, but it's based on Bitcoin. This area is going to be a strong resistance, and then we might just go sideways for more. Okay, I'm leaving it at that. Talk to you soon. Cheers.